Hey there, I'm a Maine Coon, one of the largest and friendliest cat breeds you'll ever meet. I may look majestic, but I'm a gentle giant at heart. We're known for our thick, water-resistant fur, tufted ears, and big bushy tails. Our personalities are playful, intelligent, and super social. Unlike some cats, we're not overly clingy, but we enjoy companionship. Regular grooming about 2 to 3 times a week is important to prevent tangles and shedding. We need a balanced diet rich in protein to support our large bodies, plus daily playtime to stay active and prevent obesity. If you're looking for a loyal, affectionate, and playful companion, a Maine Coon might be perfect for you. Don't forget to follow or subscribe.